Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use PayPal in South Africa. I will start the video by showing you how to create your PayPal account, then verify it, and last I will guide you through the process of linking your PayPal account to the bank that you use and then transferring your money. Some steps can be very complicated, so it is important that you watch this video all the way until the end. If your app or website layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Let's start by creating your PayPal account. I will first show you how to do this using the PayPal app, followed by the PayPal website. If you do not already have the PayPal app installed, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for PayPal. Once you find the official PayPal app, install it onto your device. After the installation is complete, return to your home screen and open the PayPal app. On the welcome screen, select the option to sign up to create your new account. PayPal will guide you through the account setup process, and then you will be asked to enter and verify your phone number, provide your email address, and fill in your personal information, including your name, address, location, and any other required details. After that, choose whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. Continue through the remaining steps until all the required information has been completed and verified. Once you're finished the setup process, your PayPal account will be successfully created. If you prefer to create your PayPal account using the website instead, just open your browser and search for PayPal. Then open the official PayPal website. On the homepage, click Sign Up. Next, choose whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. Then click the Get Started option. You may then be asked to continue creating your account in the PayPal app. You can either scan the QR code on your computer to continue in the app, or click Continue on the web if you'd rather complete the process in your browser. You'll then be asked to enter and verify your phone number, email address, location, and any other required personal information. Continue through the remaining setup steps until everything has been completed and verified. After you finish the registration process, your PayPal account will be ready to use. With your PayPal account ready, the next step is to verify it. In South Africa, you can verify your PayPal account by linking a debit or credit card. I will first show you how to do this using the PayPal website and then how to do it on the PayPal app. If you are using the PayPal website, just open your browser, go to the official PayPal page and sign into your account. After you have signed in, from the home page, select the wallet section at the top. Next, click Link Card. Enter your card details exactly as they appear, then continue through the remaining steps to add your card. If you're using the PayPal app instead, open the app and sign into your account. From the home screen, select Wallet from the bottom menu. Next, choose Link a Card. Enter your card details exactly as they appear, then continue through the remaining steps to link it. After the card has been linked, PayPal will make a small temporary verification charge, which is usually less than 20 Rand. This amount will be refunded once the verification process has been completed. Check your bank statement and look for the PayPal verification transaction. Alongside this transaction, you should find a 4-digit unique verification code. Return to the card section, then enter the code, and your PayPal account should be successfully verified. I will now show you how to link your PayPal account to your bank and transfer your money. In South Africa, PayPal withdrawals to any South African bank account are all processed through FNB PayPal services. Even if you're not an F&B customer, you can still use this service. Before you can link your PayPal account, you'll first need to create an F&B online banking profile. To do this, open your browser and go to the official FNB website. At the top of the page, click Register. If you're already an F&B customer, choose the F&B online banking registration option that matches your account. If you don't bank with F&B, select Register for PayPal for non-F&B customers. Next, choose whether the PayPal account is for you or for your business. If you're registering as a non-F&B customer, select the option that says I do not bank with F&B. Continue through the registration process and complete all the required information to create your online banking account. Once your profile has been created, sign into your F&B online banking profile. After signing in, select Forex. From there, choose PayPal Services. Next, select PayPal Withdrawal. If your PayPal account has not been linked yet, follow the prompts to sign in and authorize the connection. After the linking process has been completed successfully, you'll be ready to transfer money from PayPal to your South African bank account. To do this, select Withdraw. Then choose your South African bank account as the payout account. Enter the amount of money that you want to transfer, review the transaction details carefully, and then confirm the withdrawal. After confirming the transaction, your funds will be processed and paid into your selected South African bank account within the standard processing time. Now let's look at the mobile app method. First, open the F&B app and sign into your account. From the home screen, scroll until you see Forex and then select it. Then choose PayPal. After that, select PayPal Withdrawal. Choose the South African bank account as the payout account, then enter the money that you want to transfer. Review the transaction details, then confirm the withdrawal. After confirming the transaction, your funds will be processed and paid into the selected South African bank account within the standard processing time. And that is it. That is how to use PayPal in South Africa. If this video helped, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.